Welcome to the story time. The name of the story, On the Way to Market. One day, Chintu the cycle, Bintu the bus decided to go to the market. The market was very far on the both sides of the sea. They started moving by the road and go to the market. Chintu and Bintu was talking to each other and moving slowly on the road. Suddenly, they heard some voice saying, "Stop, stop!" Chintu looked on the side and he saw traffic the signal. He said, "Traffic, what happened? Why did you ask us to stop?" Traffic was very angry with both of them. He was showing red light, but Chintu and Bintu were busy in talking to each other and they did not look the signal. And they were moving instead of stopping. There was truck. The truckee was coming from the opposite side of the road. The signal for the truckee was green and he came in front of Chintu and Bintu. If traffic had not stopped them, they would have dashed with truckee. Bintu said, "Sorry, my dear friend Traffy. Next time we will look at the signal while moving on the road and not talking on the road." Chintu also said, "Yes, we will follow the traffic rule. If you had not stopped us today, then we would have dashed with the truck and we would have broken my body parts. Thank you for warning us and saving us." Both of them again said sorry to Truffy and were waiting at the signal for it to turn green. As the signal turned yellow, they both got ready to move, and when it turned green, they started moving. As they were moving ahead, they saw Truckee was in front of them. Chintu asked, "Where are you going, Truckee?" Truckee told that he is going to market to buy something. Bintu told, "Oh wow, then we are going to market. Let's all together," and all started moving together towards the market. As they were moving ahead, Chintu got tired and he stopped. Bintu asked, "What happened, Chintu? Let us go fast, otherwise we will be late, as we have to cross the sea to reach the market." "I am much tired and I cannot move ahead anymore," replied Chintu. Then Truckee thought of an idea and he told Chintu, "Don't worry, my dear friend. You can climb on me and sit inside. I will take you to the market." Chintu was very happy and got into the truck and all started moving towards the market. After some time, they reached near the sea. The driver of the truck, bus and cycle all parked their respective vehicle. They were standing and thinking now how to go to the market. Then they heard a whistle sound. They saw a huge ship coming to the shore. They saw Soily, the ship, in the water. They started walking towards the ship. The ship asked them if they need any help from her. Bintu told they want to go to the other side of the sea, but they cannot swim. Soily started ha 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 laughing and told them not to worry. She told them that they can come and sit on the back and she will take on the other side of the sea. All were happy and they got into the ship. As they were going, suddenly it started raining and the ship started moving here and there in the sea. Then they heard someone was crying for help. Chintu saw a man in a boat who was asking for the help. Soily went near to the boat and told the man, "Don't worry, my friend. Come near to me and hold the rope that is hanging and climb into the ship." Then the man came, held the rope, climbed into the ship. Slowly they all reached the other side of the shore and the rain stopped. All were happy that they have reached the market and the rain stopped too. All thanked Soily for helping them to reach the market. In this way, they all met each other and became the friends forever. Thank you.